Hello, today is December 18th, 2024. The Fed just announced more rate cuts of 25 basis points. It's kind of a hawkish stance. The markets just fell, so great time to buy some stocks at a discount. We can go over a few right now. It looks like NVDA is actually trading lower. That's $127 a share. Great place to buy in before the rate cuts actually take effect. Also, shares of Eli Lilly trading at $763.50. Coinbase down to $276.30. This market's been really hot lately, and inflation continues to stay low. It's under 3%. The Fed's trying to get it to fall to 2%, but basically it's low, but just not quite not exactly where they're wanting it. It also the jobs data has come out, not as hot as expected. So we also expect 2 more rate cuts in 2025. So it's not really the best news that we could have gotten from the Fed, but it's definitely helped. But just looking at the market as a whole right now, everything's down at a discount price, so definitely buy the dip. Can't go wrong. We should see a Christmas rally. It may come late like it did last year. It was on into January before a lot of these stocks really got the boost that they needed. It says the Dow has fell 1,100 points after the Fed decision today. So, Apple was actually trading at an all-time high. Now it's trading at 246. Was at 254.28. I'm advising everyone to buy more of the top companies in the world. We should see, what happened with Donald Trump last time when he's president. We should see the same thing happen again with these stocks. I'd buy the best companies with moats. You really can't go wrong. The Fed today just pretty much, we all knew this rate cut was coming, so it's kind of baked in. And I think that's really what the main problem with the market is everyone's expecting more than they should. It's really, you really can't expect everything to just continue to have all-time highs. We were at all-time highs, I think, more than 50 times this year. Like I just said, Apple was just at all-time highs today. You've got MicroStrategy Incorporated, which just doubled in value in the last 3 months. It's currently trading at $3.44 a share. Can't really go wrong there. As you look at the volatility with MicroStrategy Incorporated today, ticker symbol MSTR, it's traded between $338 a share to $390 a share. Volatility is just crazy. Excellent stocks to day trade to make money if you just want to save from paying all the transaction fees on Bitcoin and Ethereum. With Bitcoin over $100,000 now, this market is just red hot. And whether it's Coinbase, MicroStrategy Incorporated, or Mara, tons of volatility to make tons of profit, especially here in December. Other stocks keeping on. Carvana trading at $232 a share. Excellent place to buy Carvana. It usually doesn't get hit like a lot of these other companies does. And it, if it's trading right there below 240, excellent place to buy Carvana. One of my favorite stocks actually has dropped in price today. Blackstone, ticker symbol BX, trading at $171.50. We've not seen this stock really take a dip like this in months, so definitely buy the dip. You know, it's just had an amazing year. I expect to see this stock go trade between 215 and 240 in the next 6 months. So keep an eye on Blackstone. Another company that I've been really big on lately, PLTR Technologies, actually fell to $70.84. Really, at that price, you really can't go wrong. Its high today was $77 a share. There's enough volatility there to make decent profits. This stock's actually tripled since July. So just looking, on into 2025, with the current P of 361.71 and a forward P of 325.05, this company's still going to continue to make nice gains, and the stock price should easily go over $100 in the next 3 months. Also, just added a penny stock on there, which continues to have a lot of volatility. It was also included in the same video that I talked about PLTR Technologies. I think the title was Stocks to Buy Under $25. Jamia actually went up 75 cents. Probably, I think, it actually climbed 50 cents from 412 at one point to 462. It's now trading back at 419. Don't be surprised to see this stock make another surge in price. It was actually trading at $12 a share at one point before earnings back in the summer. This stock's trading right there around $4 to $4.20. Great time to buy Jamia. It could easily double in the next 6 months, at least once. If it goes over $8, that's when I would actually sell again. But yeah, it actually went up 75% within a month of the last YouTube video. And as everyone knows, crypto's been red hot. Done been through that. Shares of Meta actually trading below $600, trading at $597.17. I like Meta as a company, but just looking at its P of 28.17 with a forward P of 26.36, it's a stock I would trade, but I wouldn't own. Just not enough growth there to make a difference. And I'm just looking at the stocks here in the aftermarket hour. They're still dropping, so be interested to see how far a lot of these stocks actually fall. Got shares of CAVA, ticker symbol CAVA, trading at 117.94. Expect this stock to be trading around 150 after earnings. It was trading right there at 140 a share just a couple weeks ago. Excellent company to buy the dip. It's down 5% today. So, another excellent company. Just looking at its financials, it's got a P of 324.47 with a forward P of 234.40. This right here would definitely be one of the hot stocks for 2025 to keep an eye on. Anytime you see this stock below, $120, invest as much as you can. This is easy winner. We got shares of Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO, actually trading 223.60 today, down 6.91%. I still favor NVDA, but another great company with P of 181 and a forward P of 58.16. You know, you can still see this stock climb to 240 to 275 here in the next 6 months. You know, there's just a million companies that you can just make a ton of profit on. And one of my personal favorites is Goldman Sachs. I actually made $15,000 this year on Goldman Sachs. It's down 4% today, trading at $5.50 a share. It's actually up in the aftermarket hours at $5.54. A P of 16 and a forward P of 14.95. Excellent company to pick up. But you know, now that we know, you know, what 2025 looks like after Jerome Powell's speech today, definitely buy the dip. We should see a continuance of a bull market. So invest now and be sure to take profits in the near future. Can't go wrong. Anytime we have down days like this, it's time to load up on these companies. I'll make another video next week. Be sure to check it out. Also, you can find me on TikTok Live between 8:30 and 9:30 a.m. Please hit the like and follow button if this YouTube video has helped. Trying to get this account monetized. Do you have any stocks you'd like me to talk about in my next video? I'll be more than happy to include it. With these stocks, as always, do your own due diligence, you know, because they are investments and you can lose money if you basically get stressed out and you see these stocks drop. You got to understand, investments really are something that takes time. You know, yeah, you can make 3 to 5% this week or next week, but you know, there are days like today where stocks do go down. Hope everyone's had a very profitable month. I will make another video next week, so please check it out. Have a great weekend.